On the right side, you have your fill plug. Remove it. Now, I like to use a long funnel, and I'm going to be putting, for my bike, 1040. It uses about 2 quarts, I believe. And now I'm just going to start the bike. You might get an engine light in the beginning when it's circulating the oil, but that's normal. Check the oil sight glass. I usually hold the front brake, put it nice and level, and I like to see where it hits. So right now I need just a little bit more oil, but we're very close to that mark. And then recheck. And that's exactly where to be. All right, guys, that is how you change the oil on a 2018 crf250l Rally. The process, I bet, is the same for the crf250 and the crf300. Maybe the oil capacities are slightly different, but very easy to change. No need to take it to a bike shop when it's this easy. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.